Hello everybody, welcome to series 1 of It's Bandit O'Clock. This series of videos used to be on another YouTube channel, but now we've got it on the classicmotorbikes.net channel. If you're new here, welcome, hope you enjoy the videos, and if you've watched any of our other series of videos, welcome as well. I hope you enjoy seeing the first series. We filmed this quite a while ago and it was our first go at making a series of videos, so the quality of the video might not be there, but I hope you enjoy it anyway. This is the journey of buying my current Bandit 1200. Don't forget to leave us a comment and tell us what you think about the videos and how you think we did. If you could give us a subscribe and hit the bell icon, you'll get a notification every time we do an upload. Finally, I'd just like to thank some of the sponsors that helped us with series 1. The guys at WeMoto, Max Torque cans for the exhaust system, ABBA for the skylift, Suzuki Vintage Parts for some of the genuine parts on the bike, Mad for Bikes for our consumables, Wheels Motorcycles in Peterborough for some other parts as well, and Ven Hill for the brake lines. Series 1 of It's Bandit O'Clock will be uploaded on Wednesday evenings at 9 PM. So, let's watch the video. Hello everybody, welcome to part 7 of the Suzuki Bandit project. So, this week I've been shopping. Yep, I've been to my local Suzuki dealership, which is Wheels Motorcycles in Peterborough, get some bits for the clutch. So, first up is the screws I needed. As you see, if you watched last week, there's 3 tiny screws in the clutch that were chewed up really badly and I needed to replace them, so I got 3 and yeah, ordered them on the Monday. They're there on the Tuesday. Something else I've also got from them is a service kit, because there are a couple bits I need to. So we have a lovely genuine air filter. We have a genuine oil filter as well. Bear with me. A washer for the sump plug, because we've took the oil out and obviously doing an oil and filter change. And spark plugs, because it never hurts to change the spark plugs. So we also got from them bonus gift. Ooh. What's in the box? A vintage parts mug. Obviously Suzuki do vintage parts and they've got a range of mugs, so this will be handy to drink plenty of cups of tea out of. So guys at Wheels, thank you very much for sorting those parts out nice and quick. Means I can crack on with the Bandit and I'll be drinking lots of cups of tea from this. Just before we get started, I'd like to say sorry about not getting the video uploaded at 9 o'clock last week. The internet connection was really slow, and being that it was an 18-minute long video, took a little bit longer than we expected. So sorry about that, but we'll make sure they're definitely live at 9 PM every Sunday night. Okay, so first up this week, I'm going to change the air filter, because we got all the bodywork off the bike. It's going to be nice and easy just to change the air filter real quick. So I'm going to crack on with that now. I do like the Suzuki Bandits, as you may know, and to be honest with you, they're so easy to service, they're so easy to work on, it doesn't take much. Little things like, all you have to do is take the tank off quick, 2 screws, airbox lid comes out, old air filter comes out, which it's not the dirtiest air filter in the world, but it doesn't hurt to have a brand new one in it. So, genuine filter as well. Look how lovely, I know it's a different colour, but look how lovely and clean that looks. Air filter. Suzuki Tokyo. Right. New air filter goes in. He says. Right. One air filter. So I'll slide this between the wires. Get that clip to go in. I never do. And then the other side pops out. And then should. Right. Tight fit. In she goes. Put that one down. There we go. Alright. There we go, one air filter fitted. So next I'm going to do the spark plugs. Okay, so time to do the plugs. Not the most fun or interesting job in the world, but they need to be done. Check the plug gap on all of my spark plugs. So all I've got to do now is take the old ones out, put the new ones in. What will be interesting is to see what the plugs look like that have come out, because I'll be completely honest, I haven't actually took the plugs out of this since I bought it, or even had a look at them. So it'll be interesting to see what they look like. I do find with a Bandit 1200 is to use the genuine tool you get from the toolbox. There we go. So I think this has had plugs in it recently. So we shall find out in just a moment. So that's very white, not very dirty at all. And they are quite new looking plugs. So yeah, quite interesting really. See what that looks like. So there we go. Right. First new plug about to go in. Tighten it up. There we go. That's one done. 3 more to go. So I'll do this one here just to have a look, see what that looks like on camera. See if it looks any different to the other plug. And then the next thing to do is move on to the oil filter. So let's get this one out. Here we go. Right, that plug, probably see it there, does look very similar to the other one. So yeah, and they're quite new plugs. Here we go. 2 plugs done. I'll fit the other 2, but now we're going to cut through to the oil filter, which could be fun. Okay, so the old oil filter's off. Someone had done it up really tight, but it's just one of those things. So now I have my genuine Suzuki oil filter I got from my local Suzuki dealership. So thank you very much, Wheels. Alright, so what I need to do, put a tiny dab of oil around that seal because it is completely bone dry. Tiny bit on. And now looking at this brand new filter and looking at the old one, you can see like how much it's been crushed by. So with oil filters, I always put them on hand tight, and then do it a quarter of a turn. If I can get it off. Always the way, isn't it? A bit tight. There we go. Alright, wish me luck. There we go. There we go, they should spin on like that, nice and freely. And then do it up hand tight. And then put my oil filter wrench on. Pop that on like that, and then literally a quarter of a turn tight. So from a quarter, and that is done. So oil filter's done, plugs are done, air filter's done. So that sort of part of the service is all done and sorted. So for the project, next thing I need to do is put the clutch back together, but we'll be doing that very, very soon. So we've done the air filter, the spark plugs and the oil filter, and then the crush washer for the sump plug as well. That's all been done. Got all my service kit from my local Suzuki dealership, which is Wheels Motorcycles in Peterborough. Just like to say thanks to the guys on the service desk for sorting it out. I've also got my little tiny screws for my clutch. Hopefully next week I'm going to be going on a bit of an excursion for the Bandit project. Not on a bike, but it's going to be interesting nevertheless. So just like to say thanks for watching, guys. Sorry about being late last week, and please let us know in the comments what you think we're going to be doing next week. It's a bit of a surprise, I haven't told anyone yet, so tell us where you think we're going next week, if you've got any ideas or what you think we could be doing. And yeah, leave us a comment, give us a like and a share, give us a subscribe if you're watching us on YouTube, and yeah, until next week, we'll see you later.